Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see class 8 subject science composition of matter exercise solutions of question 6 to question number 8. Question 6, chemical composition of some matter is given in the following table. Identify the main type of matter from them. Name of matter seawater. Chemical composition H2O plus NaCl plus MgCl2 plus so on. Main type of matter mixture. Second, distilled water. Chemical composition H2O. Main type of matter compound. Name of matter hydrogen gas filled in the a balloon. Chemical composition H2. Main type of matter element. Name of matter the gas in LPG cylinder. Chemical composition C4H10 plus C3H8. Main type of matter mixture. Name of matter baking soda. Chemical composition NaHCO3. Main type of matter compound. Name of matter pure gold. Chemical composition Au. Main type of matter element. Name of matter the gas in oxygen cylinder. Chemical composition O2. Main type of matter element. Name of matter bronze. Chemical composition Cu plus Sn. Main type of matter mixture. Name of matter diamond. Chemical composition C. Main type of matter element. Name of matter heated white powder of blue vitriol. Chemical composition CuSO4. Main type of matter compound. Name of matter limestone. Chemical composition CaCO3. Main type of matter compound. Name of matter dilute hydrochloric acid. Chemical composition HCl plus H2O. Main type of matter mixture. Question 7. Write scientific reasons. A. Hydrogen is combustible, oxygen helps combustion, but water helps to extinguish fire. Answer. Water is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen. In a compound, the constituents do not retain their individual properties. Hence, hydrogen is combustible and oxygen helps combustion. But water is neither combustible nor supports combustion. It helps to extinguish fire. Question B. The constituent substances of a colloid cannot be separated by ordinary filtration. Answer. A colloidal solution is heterogeneous. The diameters of colloidal particles are of the order of 5 to the power 10 to the power minus 5 meter. The particles of colloid can easily pass through a filter paper as the pore size of a filter paper is big. Hence, the constituents of a colloidal cannot be separated by filtration. Question C. Lemon sherbet has sweet, sour and salty taste and it can be poured in a glass. Answer. Lemon sherbet is a mixture. It is made up of lemon juice, sugar, salt and water. Formation of lemon sherbet does not involve any chemical reaction. The constituents of sherbet retain their individual properties. Hence, lemon sherbet is sweet, sour and salty to taste and it can be poured in a glass. Question D. A solid matter has the properties of definite shape and volume. Answer. The forces among the constituent particles, atoms, molecules are called intermolecular forces. In solids, these forces are strong enough to keep the particles together in fixed position. As a result, solids have a definite shape and volume. Question 8. Deduce the molecular formulae of the compound obtained from the following pairs of elements by the cross multiplication method. Question A. C valency 4 and Cl valency 1. Answer. Write the symbols of constituent elements C, Cl. Write the valency below the respective elements C valency 4, Cl valency 1. Cross multiply the valencies. C multiplied by 1, Cl multiplied by 4. The molecular formula is CCl4. Question B. B N valency 3 and H valency 1. Answer. Write the symbols of constituent elements N and H. Write the valency below the respective elements. N valency 3, H valency 1. Cross multiply the valencies. N multiplied by 1 and H multiplied by 3. The molecular formula is NH3. Question C. C valency 4 and O valency 2. Answer. Write the symbols of constituent elements, that is C and O. Write the valency below the respective elements. C valency 4, O valency 2. Now cross multiply the valencies. C multiplied by 2, O multiplied by 4. So molecular formula is C2O4. To write the final molecular formula of the compound, the number of constituent atoms in the final molecular formula should be the smallest possible whole number. Divide the formula C2O4 by suitable number. Final molecular formula obtained by dividing it by 2. Molecular formula CO2. Question D. Ca valency 2 and O valency 2. Answer. Write the symbols of constituent element, that is CaO. Write the valency below the respective elements. Ca valency 2, O valency 2. Cross multiply the valencies. Ca multiplied by 2, O multiplied by 2. The formula is Ca2O2. Now divide this formula by a suitable number 2. The molecular formula is CaO. Chapter 6 Composition of Matter Exercise Solutions is completed. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.